ఎక్కడ ఉత్తరాఖండ్, ఎక్కడ తెలుగు సినిమాలు, ఎలా అసలు ఎంటర్ అయ్యారు మీరు ఈ మూవీస్లోకి?
చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ స్టోరీ. నేను పుట్టిన ప్లేస్ అయోధ్య అండ్ పెరిగింది ప్లేస్ దెహ్రాదూన్. సో నేను చాలా డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్లో ఐ చూసాను అండ్ ఐ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్. అండ్ నా 12th అప్పుడు ఐ షిఫ్టెడ్ టు బాంబే టు డూ మై కాలేజ్. అండ్ కాలేజ్ చేసినప్పుడు అగైన్ ఐ వాజ్ డూయింగ్ మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్. ఐ థింక్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఆల్వేస్ డన్ దాట్. చేసినప్పుడు నేను యాడ్స్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. ఐ బికేమ్ ఉత్తరాఖండ్ when I was in school. So I was 16 years old. So I started everything really young, and I enjoyed that. I always wanted to earn my own money and have be self-dependent. Even though na family చాలా supportive. Oka roju evaru call chesaru and they were like, please come without makeup and any hairstyle, come simple. And I went and the director saw me and he was like, what, you're selected. And I was like, anta easy. I was like, people tell us, you will it will take years for you to get a film. And for me, at that point of time, it చాలా ఈజీగా వచ్చింది offer. So that's different. Getting is different, but the whole process after that was very difficult. I mean, the movie, the whole process, it's not easy,
మీరు ఒక టీనేజ్ గర్ల్ మోస్ట్లీ అప్పుడు చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళ యాటిట్యూడ్స్, వాటిని డీల్ చేయడం, ఇదంతా కష్టం అనిపించదా మీకు?
నాట్ అట్ ఆల్. నాకు యాక్చువల్లీ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ చాలా నచ్చింది. అండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్, ఇక్కడే హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చే ముందు నేను ఒక యాడ్ చేశాను, అది మారుతి ఆల్టో. ఓకే, సో అది నా ఫస్ట్ టైం హైదరాబాద్లో. అండ్ యాజ్ ఐ ఎంటర్డ్, ఐ నెవర్ ఇమాజిన్ హైదరాబాద్ విల్ బి సో నైస్. నాకు ఎంత I loved the place so much. I was like, enta clean ga undi, people are so nice. And then straight away I went to Ramoji. Ramoji is even better, like it's so clean. I fell in love. I was like, this place is amazing. I wish someday I come here for a little longer. Aa tarvata, I think after few months only I got this film. And nizanga Telugu audience, Telugu normal people చాలా బాగున్నారు. యాక్చువల్లీ దే టేక్ యూ, దే లవ్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ అన్కండిషనల్.
నారో మైండెడ్ ఆర్ ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ నెగటివిటీ ఫామ్ అయి ఉన్న ఒక ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి పంపించడానికి పేరెంట్స్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేశారా?
యా, మై పేరెంట్స్ నెవర్ హ్యాడ్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూస్. యాక్చువల్లీ నా పేరెంట్స్కి ఓకే దిస్ మెయిన్ థింగ్, ఐ షుడ్ బీ హ్యాపీ and I should not trouble anyone. Two things. They had full faith in me, first thing. I don't know if they had faith in the world, but full faith in me. So when I was going, I was so young, but they just said one thing: do not leave your education and then do whatever you want to. And they always knew that na thought process koncham different. And I can't do 9 to 5 job, and I was always creative. So my parents really understood me.
ఏంటి లావణ్యలో ఉన్న మైనస్లు ఏంటి, ప్లస్లు ఏంటి, అసలు లావణ్య మైండ్ సెట్ ఏంటి?
I'm extremely positive. Sometimes it's also a minus, because sometimes when you're so positive, you stop looking at the negatives, and that's my plus and minus, you can say. And I'm very confident, and I treat everyone equal. That's something which is my plus. And rest minus are also a lot. Now I feel if someone does not want to know something, and if they're not too close to me, let it be. Sometimes they'll realize themselves. Self-realization is the most important thing. 10 people can tell you one thing, but until and unless you realize it yourself, you'll never change. So I think sometimes you should just let people be.
ఎక్కడైనా నేను ఇలా మార్చుకోవాలి అనిపించిన ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ ఏమైనా జరిగాయా ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి వచ్చాక?
Lot of things. Few things which are my base, my moral values, my respect towards people. Few things I cannot change, and I want to keep it that way. I like to respect people. Unless and until they are disrespecting me, that I can't take, because I like to give and take respect. But when I say respect, does not mean fear. People should not fear me, they should respect me. There's so much competition in this world, and if you don't hustle, if you think, okay, what, I have talent, but it's enough. If I feel talent is enough, I don't have to go out and mingle with people and understand what's going on. That's wrong. There are a lot of people in the world who have a lot of talent. Maybe not as the kind of talent you have, but all of them are talented in some ways. So you have to go out, and right now the competition is so much that you have to go out and show your face to people. And I am little antisocial. Like I don't go out so much. So I think sometimes it's very important to be always there in their sight and just let them know that, you know what, I'm still there. I'm bad with that, but that thing I want to change.
మీరు నాగార్జున గారితో నాని తోటి ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్ ఎలా ఉండింది ఈ స్టార్డమ్ దీంట్లో ఒక అమ్మాయి సర్వైవ్ అవ్వడం అనేది మీరు ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ చూసారా?
Everyone, they have been so nice to me. And especially Geeta Arts, I love working in Geeta Arts. They're like family, and even if I don't work with them, I have huge respect. And even for Annapurna and everyone who I have worked with. That's the thing, you know, people say, you know, actually చాలా మంది చెప్తారు అది బాంబేలో ఎలా ఉంది మూవీ, ఎలా ఉంది ఇండస్ట్రీ. I was like, they spoil you, they treat you so well. నిజంగా actually anybody can get spoiled because of the treatment you get. So Nagarjun sir garu kuda, if once I had fever, and he actually called the band little closer so that I can, you know, sleep. And so all of these people are extremely caring and nice. And it is like that. If you are nice to people, people will be nice to you.
సోగ్గాడొచ్చింది నాయన ఎలా ఉండింది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
చాలా మంచి experience. I acted really well. That's the best compliment I can get from him. And he used to compliment everyone on the set, and me, I used to get really happy because Nag sir, I've always liked Ramya garu kuda naku chala ishtam Ramya ma'am. Actually first day na scene with Ramya ma'am and Nagarjuna sir. Imagine ఎంత పెద్ద యాక్టర్స్ ఇద్దరు, అండ్ నాకు ఒక పెద్ద పేజ్ డైలాగ్స్ నాకు ఇచ్చారు, అండ్ ఫుల్ నాకు హార్ట్ అటాక్. లైక్ ఓ నో, అండ్ దెన్ ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ రైటింగ్ అండ్ గోయింగ్ అరౌండ్. Then Ramya ma'am was like, what Lavanya, you IAS exam or what? I was like, yeah, something like that. So finally, you know, while doing the scene, I was so prepared that in one go only I gave. And I always have this thing in my mind that, you know, I have to do it in first take only. That's not a good thought, by the way. Ramya ma'am was standing in front of me, like, what Lavanya, so good. And then I was not satisfied, and director could have like, can I please do one more? I was feeling bad also. Enta pedda actor, you know, mundu nenu malli inkoti take, you know, I'm taking. But then I did 3 takes, and they were really happy with that. And yeah, so when they were happy, I was very, very happy.
నెగటివ్ అప్రోచ్మెంట్ కానివ్వండి, నెగటివ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏమన్నా మీరు ఎదుర్కొన్నారా?
నిజంగా I don't know what to say. Really, I have no masala right now for you, because for my ad days till today, I have never experienced anything negative in this industry, this or Bombay. And I'm not saying it. If I did, I have a loud mouth sometimes. I just speak about it, but I did not. Maybe people are. Someone once told me, Lavanya, you have a face that people don't feel like even like making a move, because. And also, I make sure. I'm not saying people who go through it. It's a horrible thing, and nobody should go through something so bad. But then, as a person, as me, I have never experienced something like this. Also, because I'm extremely selective of people I meet. Matters like, okay, maybe the movies which I did not get, and that's the only reason because, you know, I did not suit the bill or something like that. But and that happens to everyone, every actor. But personal level, no. And just because I did not get them, I can't say the industry is bad. Industry is very good.
మీరు సొసైటీని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అమ్మాయిల మీద జరుగుతున్న ఈ రేప్స్ అండ్ హెరాస్మెంట్, అబ్యూజింగ్స్, ఇవి చూస్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఏమి రీజన్స్ అనిపిస్తున్నాయి?
In India, we come from Kama Sutra. We are from that land, you know. I don't know why are we so regressive in terms of, not all of us, in terms of talking about sex. I think first thing is that, and we just feel ashamed of talking about that. And I hope we had this education, sex education in our school, for people to understand about that. It's not such a big thing. Everything is so hidden that everyone wants to remove the pack and see what is there inside. If everything is already out there openly, nobody, all these kids will not have all this curiosity. Why is it like this? Why are we hiding? Why are all these girls, they're supposed to wear jean, denim and all that, and suit, salwar, to not get raped? First thing, I don't know why always wearing Indian clothes. Why wearing Indian clothes is equal to getting not getting raped, and why wearing denims is equal to getting asking for rape. So there are a lot of stupid questions which people ask when something happens, and I don't know how it's even related. That baby is getting raped, which makes no sense. Of 2 months, I mean, like, that does not even like make sense. So right now, I was very happy with this new law which came. Ki, people who rape kids will be, will be, will be given, death sentence. I'm very happy with that because kids are the only one who. I mean, there's no. It's just very true. I feel they can't speak for themselves. They can't say what happens to them. So, and that's the base. That's the base of our future. And if we can't secure that, then we are good for nothing. So at least I'm very happy that this is done.
విమెన్ ఎంపవర్మెంట్ ని లావణ్య ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేస్తారు?
First thing, we need to empower each other, not bring each other down just by saying, okay, you know what, she's like this, she's like that, she's fat, she's thin, she's fair, she's not. All these things first, we women need to stop. We need to support each other. That will be the good start. That will be a good start. And next, equality. A lot of people, I feel, think that being feminist means just bringing the other person down, other gender down. But that's not the real meaning of that. It means treating everyone equally, whether it's a guy, a man, or a woman, or a homosexual person. So I think it should be like that.
అమ్మాయిలే ఎక్కువగా ఫైట్ చేస్తున్నారు, కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్, కమిట్మెంట్ అండ్ ఇదంతా. కానీ సరౌండింగ్స్ అంతా గమనిస్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఏమనిపించింది?
I have sympathy towards people who have gone through it, so I can't say it's completely wrong. I can't say whatever they're saying is wrong and everything is fine. Maybe they must have gone through something, and that's, I can only imagine. It's chala bad. So, but some people try to tell that everyone, prati actress, the same chase tanaki work dorkindi. Alla wrong. Actually, that is bad. We all come from a certain background, and there are a lot of girls coming from a really good background, and none of us have to, and it's your option. It's an option. Nobody is going to rape you. Nobody is going to touch you until you let them. You don't have to try and go to 10 people. 10 people will tell you, will give you work. You'll have a bad experience with all of them, and then you say, this happened with me. First only, you should not do it. That's what I believe.
స్క్రీన్ బిహైండ్ లావణ్య ఎలా ఉంటుంది? లైఫ్ స్టైల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? లావణ్య ఎలా మూవ్ అవుతుంది లైఫ్ లో?
Life lo Lavanya, I can't say boring. I'm very funny and interesting. But keeping that aside, Lavanya has a small circle of friends, and I have friends in industry also and outside the industry also, because I like to keep my touch from the outer world as well, and I like to cook for them. I like to go out with them, just chill, have tea, pakoras. I have very I love food, which you can't see from my personality, but I love food and I love to cook and feed people. So sometimes my brother calls me Annapurna because I love to feed people. So that's my personality. And I talk a lot sometimes. Yeah, I talk a lot.
మీకు ఫోకస్ చేయాలనిపించిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటి సొసైటీలో?
Politics, I sometimes feel, is it about taking our country forward, or is it just about this to each other? All these, like, to these 2 parties, 3 parties, all the parties, they don't talk about how they're going to bring the nation forward. But chalamandi, when they only accuse each other. Let's not accuse each other. Let's talk about what will you do for the nation. So if one person does something really nice, the other person gets like, oh my God, now should we talk for them or against them? Even if when they're right. It should not be the case. And of course, everyone is this education is very important, because when our future generation is educated, they will be on a different level mentally, and they will stop fighting for petty things. China visham kosam, godva enduku. So that will become a very important thing, and women safety is very important. And someone once told me that any place where there's no respect for a woman, that place can never grow. So I think that's very important. If women, I mean, that's important in many ways. I mean, it's in our shastras and all that. So it's very important for us to respect our women, and it's very important for women to respect the society, because we have few we have issues being a woman. We go through a lot of things, but there are women who spoil our name as well by putting wrong accusations and all that, just because we have that power. So let's keep that respect to ourselves. Only then we'll get the respect.
విమెన్ పబ్లిక్లోకి వచ్చి లైఫ్ని కెరీర్ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసుకోవడం అనేది అది పాసిబుల్ అంటారా?
That all depends on the woman also, you know, and the person you choose to be with. Women sometimes fall back because they agree to things. Sometimes they don't go forward in their life because they agree to everything. They're agreeable. You know, we say, okay, you know what, beta get married, but this is your age. Okay, I'll get married. The day you start saying no, the day you start saying, you know what, I disagree, and I don't want to do this, I want to do this, take your own decisions, then you'll go forward. And that made so much sense. You know, if someone tells me, Lavanya, stop working, if my dad told me, Lavanya, don't go there, stay back in Dehradun and do your thing, I would have been married by now, like maybe with one kid, you know, but I chose not to. But luckily my dad never asked me that, but I'm just giving you an example.
లావణ్య ఫ్యూచర్ ప్లాన్స్ లైఫ్ గురించి కెరీర్ గురించి ఏంటి ఏమున్నాయి?
I'm only thinking about going forward as an actor, and I just want to spread my wing and do different kind of films. And I realized maybe while being in this industry, I got a little carried away with the kind of movies I should do, because I came at that time where we were doing really meaningful cinemas and we were doing commercial cinemas, which is all about, even that is important, but in which I got confused about which group I fall into. Naku story oriented movies chala ishtam, but then, you know, when everyone is doing certain kind of film, you also want to do it, and because you are told, you know, that you should do that. But I think being honest towards your work chala important, and if you're stuck to that, no matter what people tell you, you will always succeed. So last year and before that, I made a lot of films and I was working 24/7. I did 4 releases in a year. But easari nenu actually koncham break tisanu, and I think breaks are also very important. It's not always important to run around like a headless chicken all the time. Let's do this, let's do that. Sometimes you have to stop yourself, think, analyze, and then again, you know, take the jump. So right now, these 2 years have been such nice learning experience for me, that I have learned to relax. And now I just want to do different cinema, enjoy myself, enjoy my work, enjoy art. So yeah.